The index function is commonly used in combination with the match function to locate a specific value that you're after. So when we were using our match function, it was returning us the position of our search term in that list, which is 3. It found that 300 is the third position in that list. Now we can use the index match combination to return to us what we're really looking for, is the name of the activity that had 300 votes. So we know we want the item that has 300 votes, but we want to bring back the name now instead of the order. And all you need to do here is take that match function and add an index to the front of it, being that we are going to go through the range of names. So we're going to go index, we're going to go through these 3 names and return the third value, because we knew that that match function gave us the value of 3. Pilates. This index match combination will show us that Pilates is the activity that has 300 votes. So let's create this from scratch. Equals index, which is going to allow us to search this range. If we said 1, it would bring back walking, but we're not going to use 1. We're going to use the result of match, find me the value of 300 in that list of different votes, 100, 200, 300. And we're going to make it match type 0 for exact. And that will bring back a value of Pilates.